Welcome back everyone! This video is not only the tutorial to the Slytherin inspired look, but also the beginning of a Hogwarts inspired mini-series. This time I start with my base already done and my eyes primed. I use a brownish green eyeshadow and blend it into my crease and under the eye. Using a darker green, I darken the crease, but I don't blend it out as far as the brownish green. I repeat that process again with the dark green, which I don't blend out as far as the second color, and with a black shadow to create a nice kind of gradient. Then I cut the crease using my eyeshadow base and set that base with a shimmery white eyeshadow. On the eyelid I apply a shimmering green and blend it to the white using a light green shimmer. I create a double eyeliner by using a black and white liquid liner. For me, creating this is going back and forth with the two liners until I'm happy with the result. Then I'm applying a light eyeliner on the lower waterline to make my eyes look bigger. I throw in some mascara and my eyes are almost done. Next I highlight with a green liquid highlighter and blend it out with my fingers. For some reason I decided to do this tutorial in a strange order and I added falsies after the highlighter. For the lips I used a sticky base and create a gradient using black eyeshadow and the two green colors I used on my lid and top it off with a clear glitter lip gloss. That's all for today. I hope you like it. Stay tuned for more. Bye!